Okay, here we go, Brian, BH35 Sports Cards. Doing two more for veteran cards. So, good luck, buddy. Still looking for that Chris Bryant. Case was nice, but his guy wasn't in there. So, gonna do a couple more. Still hunting. Good luck, buddy. Yeah, I've got a feeling. We'll give you a first right of refusal on this case. So if anybody else wants to delve in, it'll be out of a different case, or if Veteran Cards is done on this one. All right, here we go. Jacob DeGroom. Oh, red Daniel Corsino. Thing looks like it's on fire. Nice. Where's my base? Fractors, base. There we go. What about now? Still not done? To 50, Greg Maddux. So sick. Yeah, buddy. Oh, case is dead. Case is dead. That Carpenter. Matt Adams to 150. Aparicio, huh? Josh Donaldson, blue to 150 for the Blue Jays. Nice card, man. I'm just talking about him. That's a sick box. Derek Jeter, and a purple Gary Brown. And for some reason, there's a Yimi Garcia down there by the camera. I like that you had to. That's a classic White Sox fan right there. You want people to know that you are not a Cubs fan. You have nothing wrong with the Cubs or their players. You just want them to know that you are not a Cubs fan. Man, a red, a blue Donaldson, and a gold Greg Maddux. Yeah, I know what you're saying, Reds fan. Hey, Jake834, what's up, buddy? Big B44. Lou, what up? You got a beer? I don't. I'm sad. There you go. Got a purple Koji Uriah. Eric Hosmer. Clayton Kershaw. Bryce Brent's blue to 150. I'm doing good, man. Thank you. The Angry Orchard honey. I have not had that. Manny Machado purple. Got a green, Sonny Gray to 99. Buck Farmer. Dilson Herrera. Josh Donaldson. And that's it for this one. Got the Dilson Herrera, Bryce Brent, Josh Donaldson, a gold Greg Maddux, a red Daniel Corsino to 25, green Sonny Gray, some purples. These are to 250. Machado, Gary Brown, and a blue Matt Adams. So that's it on this one. Thanks, buddy. We'll see you on the next one.